welcome to GBT live show today. I'm Carrie.
Hello everyone, I'm Nick.
Hi Nick, it's a nice day, right?
Yes.
Yeah, look at this, the chrome. It's shining in the sunshine.
Yes.
And also I can't open my eyes now. And well, look at this V car, and I think it's totally different from the original style, right?
Sure. This is GLSM style and made from GBT.
GLSM style.
Yes.
Wow.
We can see this hood.
Yeah, and
firstly we can see this chrome.
this chrome is a vertical chrome in the middle.
Yes. And it looks like one Chinese model.
Hong Qi, right?
Yeah.
Hong Qi.
And this hood is shorter than the original one.
Shorter, what do you mean?
Because we changed the griller. This griller is bigger than the original one.
Oh, the griller is bigger.
So we need to cut some part of this hood.
Yeah, shorter is a bit.
Yes.
And for this grill,
yes, this
it's
Maybach style griller.
Maybach style.
Yeah, looks this.
GLS Maybach style.
Yeah, looks this vertical bar.
Vertical bars.
Yes, and chrome.
And the middle also it's same with the V Maybach style, right?
And
S Maybach, right? Yes, also same with the S Maybach grills. And for the bumper, it also changes the bumper, right? Front bumper.
Also, we can see this chrome, shining chrome.
For the mesh. Oh, and this chrome, I think is wider than any others that I saw. I have seen.
Sure, this chrome is wider, and this part will have 4 parts chrome.
4 parts. The first.
It's left, middle, and right.
Right. Yeah. Also, under in the.
Yes. Also, I have a lip.
The tip for the diffuser. Front lips. Right. Front lips. It also has long chromes.
Yeah. So this facelift we change the hood, griller, and front bumper.
Front bumper.
Yeah.
Also, the front bumper is PP material, right?
Yes. Bumper made of PP and griller made of ABS.
ABS. Yeah.
Hood is iron.
Iron, yeah.
Yeah.
Same way as the original.
Yeah. All this part with the painting.
Painting with the black color.
Yeah.
But usually we sell it with without the painting, right?
Yes, we usually sell the body kit with primer.
Primer painting.
Yes.
Primer painting. Okay. Well, let's to see the rear
parts.
Look at the rear part. Oh, it's the V260L.
Yeah.
What's the meaning of the L?
Some car in Chinese is longer than the foreign car.
Oh, it's a little longer.
Yeah, because
for the body.
Because Chinese people like longer.
Okay. And what other models of the for V cars can be installed with this body kit?
Our body kit can install on the V260 and Vito.
Vito.
Yes.
V260 and Vito. Okay. And for the rear part, it just changes the rear bumper, right?
Yes, we'll only change the rear bumper.
Also the PP material.
Yes.
And for it, I think it added many chromes. For the rear part.
You can see this exhaust with many chromes on it. It looks more shiny.
Yeah. It's a nice day today.
Yeah. And you can see this.
Reflector. Yeah, reflector.
Yes.
It also changes the reflector, right?
Yeah. And our bumper also offer this
cameras. 1,
Yeah, camera
2,
hall.
3, 4.
We have
4 cameras.
Yes.
Right. And for the rear diffusers, it also has long chromes.
Yes.
And for the front, it also has a long
GBT
chromes.
body kit have,
Wow.
also have many chromes.
Inward, it has many chromes for this body kit, right?
Yes.
And for the front and for rear, yes, many chromes. Okay. What other body kit do you have for these V cars?
This is GLSM style
Yeah.
for V class.
Yes.
We also have VM style.
VM style, what do you mean? VM style.
It means it also looks like Maybach style.
Maybach.
Yes.
S Maybach.
S Maybach.
Yeah, S Maybach.
The front bumper looks like the.
Oh yes, I got it. S Maybach style is the grill is different from this, right?
Yes, little different.
Yeah, little different.
But bumper.
Bumper.
Yes.
Bumper is also different. Yeah.
Yes.
So it will change the rear front bumper, grill.
And the
Yeah.
hood.
Oh, also hood will need to change, right?
Yes, and also rear bumper.
Oh, so the parts are same with this body kit. Front, hood, front bumper, grill, and rear bumper.
Hood, grille, and bumper also have some difference.
Different style.
Yes.
Just a different style.
So we can see it.
I wanna take my time to make my decisions. Change my mind for no damn reason. I'm riding solo. I'm feeling so.
So until now, both kits need to change the hood.
Yes,
right.
hood.
If I don't want to change the hood, do you have the body kit?
Sure, of course, GBT have.
Wow! How many cans of body kit in
We
total?
have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4.
4 kits. 4
Yes.
kits, right?
And it's a simplified edition.
Simple. Simple.
Yes, the grille.
Just change the grill, front bumper,
Yes,
and rear bumper.
yes. It's also M style.
M style.
Yes,
Also M style.
yes,
Wow. So it's seem like S Maybach style, right?
yes. And the grille is a little than this.
Yeah, will smaller than this grill the size, right?
Yes.
Wow. And the fourth style, what?
Fourth style is looks like AMG style.
AMG
Pro.
style. Seems like AMG style.
Yes,
So we will call it a V Pro body kit, right?
yes. GBT V Pro body kit.
That body kit, V Pro body kit, also changes the front bumper, grill, and rear bumper.
Yes.
Wow, so many body
Yeah.
kits.
So we have 4
Four
options
body kit
for you.
in totals. So till now we introduced the 4 body kits for V and PV.
Yes, 4 body
Yeah.
kit. If you're interested on our body kit for V class, click the link and leave message to us.
Yes.
Yes.
Welcome. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.